friends, in today's video I'm going to share Subway's sweet onion sauce recipe which they have discontinued. So I am very happy to share with you. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and also feel free to subscribe my channel and hit that notification bell so you get notified of my new videos. So to make the Subway's sweet onion sauce, we are going to use onion. Now I have this sweet onion, or you can also use white onion or red onion or brown onion. So I'm just going to use this half of the onion. This is a medium size onion. I'm going to chop it into pieces and grind it into a grinder, and I have added the link in the description box for this grinder, and I'm going to blend it to form a puree like this. Now we want to strain this so that we can get onion juice. This is very important because if you have pulp in the juice, then you won't get the glossy texture that you want in your sweet onion sauce. So it's very important to strain it. Now we have the onion juice. Let's make the sauce. So heat 1 cup of water and 1/3 cup of onion juice, and then half cup of sugar. Dissolve the sugar completely, and I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, half tablespoon of lemon juice, half teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoon of onion powder depending on how strong you want it, and half teaspoon of poppy seeds. This is black poppy seeds, which is easily available in the market. Mix everything well, and now I'm going to turn up the heat and bring this to boil. So as you can see, it came to boil. Now I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of water in a bowl and add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Mix it until it forms slurry like this, and I'm going to add it into our boiling mixture and stir it continuously. We don't want any lumps to form, so it's very important to stir. And once it's mixed, I'm going to add about a half teaspoon of salt, or as per your taste. Now bring it to boil. Now we're going to boil this for 3 to 5 minutes until it's become glossy and thickens, and then turn off the heat. And then as it cools, it will become more thick and glossier. So as you can see, it has perfect texture, and let it completely cool. So I'm going to transfer it to a bowl so that it cools down, and once it cools, it will become more thick. So now let's prepare the Subway sandwich. Usually get the veggie delight. So I'm going to toast the bread, and I'm going to add choice of dressing, so mayonnaise and mustard, and veggies. I'm using lettuce, spinach, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and then bell pepper. What's your favorite sandwich? Let me know in the comment box. So I stored the onion sauce in this squeeze bottle, so it's easy to dispense, and I'm going to drizzle this delicious, yummy sweet onion sauce. And I always like to add some extra so that it's nice and juicy. How do you like it? Did you find this video helpful? Please don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more such easy recipes. Till then, bye bye.